If you want to cancel your Google Meet free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in with the account that has the Google Meet subscription. Step 2. Access Google Workspace Admin Console. Once signed in, navigate to the Google Workspace Admin Console by clicking on the grid icon in the top right corner and selecting Admin. Step 3. Go to Billing section. In the Admin Console, find and click on the Billing section. This is where you can manage your subscriptions and payments. Step 4. Select the subscription. Locate your Google Meet subscription in the list of services. Click on it to view the details and options available for your subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation and ensure you receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Google Meet free trial. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Google support for help.